To start using Spocket for dropshipping, the first step is to access the platform. Once you are logged in, you need to find the products you want to sell. Begin by entering the product name in the search bar. For example, type the specific product you are interested in, and then click on search. After searching, you can refine your results by using the filter options. This allows you to select where the product is coming from and where it can be shipped. You can set the delivery time, such as products that can arrive within 1 to 3 days. Enter all the necessary information in the filter fields and then choose View Research to see the results. After a short moment, Spocket will display the products that match your search and filter criteria. You can review the available options and select any product that fits your needs. This process helps you efficiently filter and identify suitable products for your dropshipping business, ensuring that you find items that meet your delivery and supplier requirements. By following these steps, you can streamline product selection and make informed decisions about which products to offer in your online store. Understanding how to use search and filters in Spocket is an essential part of managing a successful dropshipping business. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.